Okay, are you ready to see who your best friend is from Naruto? Okay, so remember, just choose one of these doors. Okay, now let's see.
Oh, baby, when you talk like that, you make a woman go mad. So be wise and keep on.
Okay, have you chosen a door? Okay, now let's see who's behind them. Who is your best friend? 1, we have Sakura. 2, we have Sasuke. 3, we have Hinata. 4, we have Shikamaru. 5, we have Itachi. 6, we have Gamabunta. 7, we have Kakashi. And 8, we have Anko. Okay, have you liked that? I hope you have loads of fun with your best friend. So,